Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to search and navigate through the Phillip Allan Magazine resource. The Phillip Allan Magazine resource is beneficial for students studying in the field of science, providing an archive of articles in relation to subjects such as biological science, chemistry, physics, psychology and sociology. Once you've completed the sign-in process, you should find yourself on a page like this. From the list of options available, just click on A-Level Magazine Archive, which is the Phillip Allan Magazine resource. Once you click on that, you'll find yourself on the following page with the following magazines listed as available for you: Biological Science Review, Chemistry Review, Physics Review, Psychology Review, and Sociology Review. If you click on one of them, say for example, Biological Sciences Review, a pop-up menu will appear on the middle of the screen, asking you to select a volume as well as select an issue. You will notice that if you click on Select a Volume option, in the drop-down menu, the volumes will go by most recent to oldest, which dates back to 2009. So for the next example going forward, if we just select volume 33, and in the select an issue option, just select number 4, and then finally just click on the OK button to be taken to the following page. You'll find that this particular volume issue is broken down into a table of contents on the left side of the screen, whilst on the right side of the screen you're provided a small preview of what that particular chapter looks like and how many pages it covers. So for this instance, the cover page is just set up as exactly that on the right side of the screen. If you click on Interface, Beavers are back in the table of contents, you will notice that the preview section on the right side of the screen has changed automatically and is broken down into 2 separate sections. Once you click on a page of interest, say for example 67, you'll be taken to the following screen. You can use your mouse to zoom in on a particular paragraph of the page by left clicking on your mouse, and you can also use the navigation tools at the bottom right of the screen to scroll through the rest of the issue.